Hi everybody, I'm back for another plan with me. This is Laura from Tiger Kitty Co. If you are new here, thank you for joining me. All my other subscribers, thank you for coming back. I appreciate it. And we're going to be doing this really old kit, like a year or more old, from Let's Plan It. I think it's 2 years old if I'm not mistaken. It's really, really pretty though. Never used it last year, so I was like, I have to use it this year. And it's a little bit more white space, so I figured it would give me the opportunity to play with some more stickers. And most of this video is going to be spread up because I have strep throat and my throat is very, very sore, and I haven't even started medication for it yet, so it's real hard to talk. So I'm going to show you everything that I'm working with, and then I will just fast forward this video and put some music, and I will try to explain things at the end. So like I said, this kit is from Let's Plan It, and it is Let It Snow, and it has this double box and this soft neutral color palette, this cute weekend banner. We have these little checklists, which I love for box checklists. We have some scripty, those little circle things, washi, and then half boxes. We have headers, bubble boxes, build do, planner, icons, and then 3 sidebar things. We have bottom washi, little things, and date covers. And that's it. That's all we have for this kit, which is totally fine. I pulled out 2 washies. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them or not. I kind of feel like I might put this one up along the top and put the date covers over it. I don't totally know yet. I might use this one on the bottom with the bottom washi. This is Simply Gilded, and I can't remember if this was, I'm pretty sure this is Simply Gilded also. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And then we have these neutral bows with silver foil from my newest addiction. I have pink foil headers, which I may or may not use. I might do double headers. Rose Colored Days, meeting stickers in pink foil from Rose Colored Days, Happy Meal stickers in pink foil from Rose Colored Days, pink bow Happy Meal little things from Fox and Pip. And if you guys remember, I thought I lost my other version of the Happy Meal and one of my bow mail things, so I ordered more. I think I ordered more of those. I didn't lose them. Totally found them again. I was so excited. I have film edit upload stickers with kind of a pink theme from Sweet Bella XOXO. I cut that sheet in half. And then I have full week spread and midweek spread from Let's Plan It. So I have lots of fun stuff to use. And like I said, I think I'm going to use this one with the bottom washi, which is here, because I think that's going to make a good pair, because this pink and that pink kind of really go together. And this has rose gold foiling on it. So I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to do. So I'm probably going to put this all the way at the bottom here. Layer that one on top and go from there. So I will see you guys at the end of my video, if I have a voice to try to explain what my week is about. my camera cut off, but I had to upload footage anyway, so I just sort of finished. So same setup as the other side, and I put the weekend banner over these two full boxes. And now I think I'm going to kind of think about what I have day to day. So Monday I have a board meeting, and I think I want to use one of these. Oh shit, what days are these? I didn't put date numbers on yet, so 22. Maybe I'll put, oops, maybe I'll put a foil header and layer this right here. And then we have, like I said, meeting stickers. And I'll put that kind of above, and then I can write the meeting in here. So we have that little foil section, which is adorable. Let's see. I kind of want to put a paper clip there too, but I feel like that would be a little much. Okay, so that's my meeting. I will have Happy Mail, but I might put it up in the box also, just because I have really cute stickers to market. So we'll put a little Fox and Pip bow Happy Mail in pink, and we have the Happy Mail. Maybe I'll put the Happy Mail script down here, and then I'll just write in what I got. I'm expecting stuff Monday and Wednesday at the moment, so we'll put those in, and then I'll put another one of these here. Very consistent. Let's see. I used my meeting. I don't think I have any other meetings that I know of this week. What else do we have? Date night, shopping, laundry day, Friday. We can use Friday. If it'll come off the paper. So 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So I'll have a bill due this day. Pretty sure I had a bill due sticker, yes, over here. And we will use the planner up in the checklist here. I think I can fit this. This box says Walking in a Winter Wonderland in really light fonts. I didn't want to cover that, but the bill due fits in there, which is great. And I didn't need any other washi or anything. We have full week spread here on Sunday. And midweek spread on Wednesday. Sometimes I post Thursday, but I need the reminder either way for Wednesday or for Thursday. What else? We have film edit upload stickers. So we will film Friday. Just put it over the planner. We will edit and upload on Saturday. So maybe I'll put those in this box just to kind of save room in the checklist, because these are huge. I love them though so much. I need to get more. So edit, upload. I do so many videos now, it takes me a while to upload them. I'm going to leave out the Happy Mail stuff because I will probably get more mail throughout the week because I'm a crazy person. And then, what did I say? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this weekend is PBC, which is the Planner Boss Collective sale. So I want to mark in here, well, I guess I can mark it in this box, that this is when the sale starts because I want to shop with Rose Color Days and probably Creating & Co. I'm not sure who else, but probably for sure those two. I'm trying to decide which color I should use. I feel like maybe the pink, because this day doesn't have a lot of pink on it. So I'm going to put that here, and we'll put Planner Boss Collective sale in there. I might have like a little shopping bag or something too. But I feel like compared to these icons are not going to be very exciting. And I totally like lifted that one up. I can use this for vitamins. Oh, I bet I screwed this up, you guys. We'll do vitamin, skincare, and maybe reading. Reading or workout, one of the two. But I have hydrate. So this will probably be dinners. And then I didn't put steps anywhere. That's kind of a bummer. I don't think that helped. Maybe a little. So if this is dinners, I don't know. I don't think I can fit dinners and steps in there. Maybe I can do steps here and then just check off if I met my step goal. That would be a good compromise. Okay. Do I have anything else I have to mark? I don't know that I do. I don't have a ton of stuff that I know of. Let's see what else is in my, so 22 board meeting. Oh, my nuclear lab kits are getting dropped off. Oh, and then I wrote my bill here instead of here. Whatever. It'll get paid one of those days. So Friday, my nuclear, I teach chemistry and we do a nuclear lab unit. If you guys are like, what is she talking about? But those kits are getting dropped off this day. So those are getting dropped off for me at work that day. Other than that, you guys, I don't think I have a lot. So I marked videos with the TVs, so I'll have a plan, or probably a haul this day, a plan with me that day, a plan with me that day, and a plan with me that day. If I have any other videos come up, I can always throw them in the checklist, or I can throw them in something here. I have Happy Mail, I have a board meeting. I'm expecting mail midweek, end of week. This will be reading, vitamins, skincare, and if I met my step goal, hydrate, dinner. Yeah. I think that's about it. Film, edit, upload. I'm sure more stuff will come up, but I don't have a lot else kind of pre-scheduled, so that is going to be it for me for right now, and stay tuned for more videos. Hit that subscribe button if you guys have not already. Tell me if you like the pink foil with this kit. Do you think it goes? I feel like the washi doesn't go as well now that I added more pink instead of this like more neutral pink, but I'm not mad at it. The rose gold just kind of throws me off a little, I think, but I really like the pink. I like this foiled washi up here also. It's a little bit different color than the pink and the rose gold, but I still think it's pretty. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this kit. Is it snowy where you are? It is not snowy here. We've had a couple cold days. We're supposed to get snow this weekend. Today's Friday. So we'll see. We'll see if we have snow the week of this kit. All right, you guys have a good one. I will catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye.